and forest essentials without.
Play Faith by the Weekend.
Hi guys, so I'm back on my channel and today I'll be making a hair care video. So this is different from my makeup tutorials. I have not styled them. The only thing I've applied after shampooing them last night is Leave-On serum. So this is my virgin hair and this is not enough. This needs to be taken care of too. Okay, so finally let's talk about hair care. So the hair that you see on my head right now, I had only this much hair before, and now they have like almost I have almost like double the amount of hair. When I came back from Pune, my hair was this much, as I said. So I tried looking up some hair masks online, and I tried making my own hair oil. After a lot of research, after like experimenting a lot on my hair with different types of hair masks that I made and hair oils, finally I came to this one conclusion of one hair oil that I made and one hair mask which will work for almost every kind of hair type. It will work for you, guaranteed. So the hair oil that I'm using, you have to like take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, any brand will do, and like 1 tablespoon of each is according to my hair. You can take lesser or more depending upon how much hair you have or what is your hair length. So you have to heat them up in a pan and mix some onions with them. I take a small onion and I cut half of it. I slice it, not into small pieces but like medium kind of pieces. I slice it up and I toss it in the pan with both the oils, and I heat it for like 10 minutes or something until the onions are like a little bit of brownish, not completely brown, but they start turning brownish is when you have to take it off the pan, let it cool down for another 10 minutes, and then when it's almost cooled down, like when it has that slightly lukewarm kind of temperature, then you have to massage it thoroughly in your scalp, and also the oil which will be left, just apply it on the loose hair that you have. So that is what a hair oil that I use, and I use it twice a week. And you have to apply oil at night. The benefits that they give is coconut oil goes deep into your scalp. If you have really damaged hair, apply the hair mask that I'm about to tell you twice a week. Like for example, if you applied the hair oil at night, the next morning when you're about to take a bath, 1 hour before taking a bath, you have to mix curd. Like take the amount of curd which will be required for your hair. I take around 1 cup of curd, 1 small cup of curd, and I mix multani mitti in it. You can take any brand of multani mitti, but make sure that the paste that you'll be making, the hair mask that you'll be making with the curd and multani mitti, it shouldn't be very thick. You want to make like between a thick and a thin paste. That is the consistency that you want. I'm gonna just tell you what all you have to do to make the hair mask. 1 cup of curd, 1/3 cup of multani mitti, squeeze half a lemon, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Mix it all together. Apply it in your scalp properly and in your hair as well. Cover it up with the plastic wrap, or like if you have a plastic hair cap. Keep it for at least half an hour. If possible, you can keep it for 1 hour as well, and then wash it off normally with your shampoo and conditioner. I had dandruff when I came back here 3 months ago, and you won't believe it. After like 5 or 6 uses of the hair mask, my dandruff has become zero, like literally zero. There is no dandruff left in my hair, which is obviously amazing. You can see that my hair are a little dry, but they are not as dry as they were previously. Like they were so dry, they were completely brittle, and there was so much breakage, so much of split ends. So obviously my hair has become very healthy. Make sure that when you're washing your hair, the hair mask is completely out of your hair, and then go on to shampooing and conditioning. Now for the shampoos and conditioners that I use. When I had dandruff, I was using this one, the Arnica Hair and Scalp. Now you cannot find it in stores, but you can order it online, and it's the perfect time to order it online because anyways you can't go out. So this is the one that I use. There are different kind of brands that sell a shampoo which has Arnica written in it, but make sure that you buy the one from Weasel. So it's a homeopathic brand. Then next, I use these two. This is by Patanjali. This is the Shikakai hair cleanser. When I use this, my hair becomes dry and rough. So, but yeah, it deeply cleanses your hair. So everything, absolutely everything, the dirt and pollution from your hair, it will be gone, like literally gone from your hair, and you will get completely clean hair. So that is what it's gonna do. And to cover up the dryness that this shampoo causes me, I use this conditioner by Patanjali. So this is a hair conditioner, protein hair conditioner, and this has milk protein, chickpea, bhringraj, aloe vera, and almond oil. This absolutely covers the roughness that is caused from my Shikakai hair cleanser, and this makes my hair so soft and so smooth. Like, I'm never gonna switch from this protein conditioner. Also, for people who do not have time to apply the hair mask, who are like very busy, you can use this one by Forest Essentials. This is the best hair mask that you will find on the market. So this is of Japapati and Brahmi, and this works equally as good as the hair mask that I make, the DIY hair mask. So if you don't have time, invest in this. Also, one more thing that I would like to state is that no matter whatever you use, like the DIY hair mask that I make, the shampoos and conditioners, the hair oils, they will work only to an extent, because if you don't follow a good diet, or if you go through a lot of stress or tension, then these things will not work as good as they work for me. Because since I came back from Pune, I'm living with my family and I'm getting the best diet that I can ever get. Like, I'm eating a lot of fruits, I'm having all my meals on time, and I'm eating curd and all the like things that my body needs. So from inside also you need to nourish your hair, and from outside, that is a topical treatment that we do, which is hair oils and hair masks. Yes, the hair oil does go in your scalp when you massage it, but you need to give your body some nourishment from within as well. Those are the things that I do for my hair care. Now, I want to know that if you do try them, obviously the results that you're going to notice is after 20 days. So that is like after 4 or 5 uses, you will definitely notice your hair breaking less, your hair becoming more healthy and softer and smoother if you have frizzy hair. Please let me know that if you do try them, what are the amazing changes that you're going to notice in your hair. And that's for my hair care video. I'll see you guys next time when I'll be making a skincare video. Bye guys.